So this is gonna be the new bathroom. New bathroom. We have it's not renovated, but we upgraded. Is it upgraded, sweetie? So we changed the floor there. As you can see, we got new floor here. We strip off the old floor, and then we put a new board here. We painted the walls here, and then we're going to put a new door also here. And we bought a new light here, but my husband broke the other bulb here, but we need to buy that and then fix everything here. I washed the exhaust fan. I washed it, cleaned it really clean, and I also cleaned the heat lamp there. I also cleaned it very good. And my husband fixed everything here that he can fix on the wall there. And we're going to change also the shower. We will get a new shower. And we are also going to get an we already got a new bowl here.
Toilet.
A toilet bowl. So that's why
it's not in until we get the roof or get the floor in. We're gonna
yes,
do the,
because we're going to
yes.
Put the floor. So
you'll see tomorrow the installation of the floor.
Yeah, so this is just the board, and then we will put the floor over this board here. And wait, and here, this is open. I used to have a curtain here. As you can see on my previous video, I only have a curtain, but this time we are going to buy a new, what do you call this?
Shower door.
Shower door. So I'm going to have a new and beautiful bathroom. Right, Siri?
Yep. So the floor, we put new flooring down. We're going to put new flooring down. It's what they call life-proof linoleum or rubber type material. And we're going to, it's a plank thing, so we just got to lay some planks down like our floor out there is planked and out in the hallway. We're going to plank in here. And then we'll be actually that'll be the last thing we do, and besides the shower door will be the last thing, but this will be next tomorrow, which you'll see. We have to go to the Lowe's and get some new connection and stuff for the.
Do we need to get a new like this one?
Yeah.
Here? Oh yeah, do you have it in your list?
Yeah, it's old. We're gonna replace everything and put new, so we don't have to worry about it.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna put this. I'll show you how we put this. We're gonna put this thing in.
This mirror here used to have a mirror here that is flat without a frame, so we cannot buy a flat mirror without a frame in the store. We bought this in Home Depot, and this is the largest that we can get. So it's a little bit long in our what they call this
vanity
vanity table here, but it's okay. It looks good, and it's pretty because the lighting also goes with the color of the frame of our bathroom mirror, or yeah. So there, it's gonna be pretty.
Okay, this is how we put the. Here's how you put one of these. These are an old style type.
Tissue, something like that.
Toilet dispenser, toilet paper dispenser, and they look like this. This is how they are. They have two screws that hold it. What this does is comes against the wall, and holds the thing against the wall.
Yeah.
So all you need is a screw gun like this, and we'll go ahead and put this in. First, you put this top piece in behind the wall, and then you what? Yeah, you get it up high enough so you push the bottom in. Then it goes. Oops. Then it goes in. So this fits just like that. And then when
Wow.
you're all done, you just
Have to screw it.
put the screws in.
There you go. Looks like new. I washed that also as new.
Yeah, we didn't buy a new one. We just
Yeah.
pulled it out and
Clean it.
cleaned it.
Yeah, and it looks like new.
Yep.
Yeah, and my lightings, my what do you call that? Warm light or what?
Yeah, that's a heat light.
Heat light. So I cleaned the frame also, so it looks like new also, and my exhaust fan looks like new, but I just cleaned it, really clean it, so it looks like new also. So everything looks like new in my bathroom. I'm gonna have a very pretty nice room.
So
So there it is. I'm happy with my vanity mirror here, or my bathroom mirror. There you go. So that's it. And next time we're going to put the floor and the toilet bowl. That's it. See you next time, guys. Hello everyone. Today we are going to update our bathroom makeover. All right. So, as you can see on my previous video, my husband installed or put the board first. So he put the board, and then yesterday he installed the floor. So this is the floor that I chose. There. So it is a vinyl floor, but it looks like wood. See? So pretty. There. So this is the kind of floor that we installed here. This is waterproof vinyl plank flooring. There. And it is waterproof, of course, and scratch free. There. So that's the kind of floor that we have right now in our bathroom. So there, it is done. But my husband has not finished putting the sidings yet, and I still don't have my toilet bowl because I changed my mind and I wanna have a bidet, a handheld bidet in my toilet. So we bought a plumbing fixture like this, but yeah, as I have said, I changed my mind and I wanna have a handheld bidet. So we have to change this here. We have to change this plumbing fixture here with something that has two hosts. I mean, you can put two hosts. So we have to change this. There. Yeah, I forgot. Yeah, this one here. He also covered this because there is a scratch in this table, in this vanity table. There is a scratch on this side, and what he did was he bought a panel of this board here. He bought this panel of board from Home Depot, And then he just put it here and it looks like new. There. That's a great idea. Another great idea there. So no scratches. Wow. So there, my friends, is our update today. Still, we're not done here. As you can see, we still need to buy the bathroom door here. So maybe I still have to wait like 2 weeks more to finish this bathroom. So see you again, guys, on my next update on this bathroom makeover.